It's Cosfinger, baby.
Oh, no. Keep the intro. Oh, my boy, you already know.
Bedroom King. It's Cosfinger, baby.
I put the Adderall in my lean, in my mirror, bravado jeans. Hella rocks in my socks, hella guns in my brief. If a nigga moving wild, that's where he gon' see. All the wolves popping out the cut. Tone 33, she say you just getting handsome. You a gorgeous little gangster. She like you always dripped up with Dior and always down with dancing. She like you slip the runner. I tell her work Rihanna, everything white Madonna. Only in selected diamonds. I always know how to ball. Brody wet it up if I make the call. He ain't gon' hesitate to shake it up, cause he know I got that nigga if he fall. I always know how to ball. Brody wet it up if I make the call. He ain't gon' hesitate to shake it up, cause he know I got that nigga if he fall. Adderall in my lane, bravado jeans, hella rocks in my socks, guns in my brief. That's where he gon' see all the wolves popping out the cut. She say you looking handsome. You a gorgeous little gangster. She like you always dripped up with Dior and always down with dancing.
Be in control of your own shit and your own creations. I'm saying, like, be a creator. Like, I feel like when you create your shit, when you know what you want, don't let nobody get in between you and your creation. If you want something, it gotta be that. Same because you know, nobody can tell you, you know what I'm saying? I wasn't thinking about the masses yet. I'm thinking about my hood. You know what I'm saying? I'm like, nah, I gotta drop another one for the hood. As long as you ain't on no sugar shit, you'll be alright. You good. Real niggas gon' vibe with real niggas. You know what I'm saying? You ain't woo, you ain't winning in this shit.